Forget everything you know about traditional family minivans or heavy oversized commercial shuttles. Kia is officially launching a massive, software-driven disruption into the passenger market, and it looks like a sci-fi pod come to life. This is the all-new 2027 Kia PV5 Passenger, recently crowned Autocar's best large car for its genius packaging. Built on a completely specialized platform engineered strictly for modular service, this electric 7-seater is aimed squarely at the Volkswagen ID. Buzz, but at a fraction of the price. Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today we are exploring this highly anticipated flat-floor family machine. Visually, the PV5 Passenger looks beautifully functional. Utilizing Kia's brand new tiger face styling language up front with ultra-clean upper panels contrast matched to rugged, easily repairable lower bumper components, it measures 4,695 millimeters in length, making it shorter and much easier to park in tight city spaces than a traditional Kia Carnival. However, because it sits on the specialized E-GMP.S electric platform, the wheels are pushed completely to the corners, yielding a massive 2,995 millimeters wheelbase. Combine that with a roofline towering over 1.9 meters, and you get a completely squared geometric profile designed purely to maximize usable interior room. Step inside, and the PV5 driver's zone feels like an open concept office. You are surrounded by a massive greenhouse glass layout for near-zero blind spots, facing a crisp 7.5-inch driver information panel paired alongside a 12.9-inch main touchscreen. Infotainment display running native Android Automotive OS. Storage is everywhere, highlighted by a central sliding utility tray that handles daily work tools or family road trip snacks. Plus, it is packed with full bidirectional vehicle 2-load V2L technology, meaning you can pull up to 3.6 kilowatts of AC, electricity straight from the charge port to power anything from camping gear to cooking appliances on weekend getaways. Rolling out across major international markets between late 2026 and mid-2027. The Kia PV5 Passenger is a brilliantly engineered wake-up call to the industry. With expected passenger pricing starting around $42,000, it undercuts luxury electric vans like the VW ID. Buzz by a staggering margin, while delivering vastly superior commercial-grade modularity. Would you choose this hyper-practical software-driven EV van over a standard hybrid SUV or a traditional minivan? Let us know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button for DRX Automobi, and we will see you in the very next breakdown.